Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Outlook. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Outlook app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Enter the email related to your account. Then tap on Login. Then tap on Add Account. Enter your password. Then tap on Sign In. Tap on Next. Then tap on Accept. And this is how you log into the Outlook account. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.